Hello everyone, welcome to part 71 of 100 Ways to Motivate Yourself. I'm Walt. Here we are with our 71st principle, which is to look inside. And you might say, inside what? Well, obviously this is a motivational thing, self-help kind of material. So what it means is to look inside internally, kind of into your own mind, your own thinking kind of thing. And so what this one is really about is, I think it's absolutely a fascinating principle because he's kind of starts off by saying, okay, most of us look at we basically see our reality through the lens of other people. We hear from other people, oh, you think I'm good at this? Oh, you really like this? We wait for others' opinions really to influence us. And this kind of goes back to our principle earlier, like in the first 20 principles of leave high school. Because so many people are living their lives based on what other people say about them, okay? They're not living based on their passions, what they want to do, what they know how to do. They keep thinking, oh, I need other people's opinions to say, oh, that's good or that's bad. And the problem is many people have an attitude that is going to be too pessimistic, okay? If you were to look on the whole of people who are overall optimistic versus pessimistic, I would imagine that you find a group, like I would say at least 80% of the population tends to be a little bit more pessimistic than optimistic. And of the people you want to be dealing with, there are about 5% who tend to be the best, who have that kind of optimistic thing going all the time. Then you could even go higher to the people who can live a life almost of, like, say, the Dalai Lama for somebody, like, for example. Somebody who can deliver great speeches for like 2 hours without without having to lose his smile kind of thing. Being able to live a life of such joy, such pleasure, and being able to do that all the time, not being able to have a life that's so based out of circumstance, but more out of our own internal reality. So the idea is to look within, develop your own potential, see the good that you can achieve, see what you are good at yourself, okay? This relates a little bit to the last principle also. Prop up all your successes. When you have a success, celebrate it to yourself. Put a poster on the wall. Say, you know what, I achieved something great here. I don't care what it is. If you're doing like awards every single day, keep doing that, okay? Because you want to reward yourself for every success. Everything that is a little bit of a success, celebrate it, okay? There's stuff to celebrate all the time. Don't just like be upset about the failures. Celebrate the successes all the time, and soon enough you'll have a lot more of them. Anyway, that's Principle 71. I will see you guys next time with Principle 72. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.